Good morning. Welcome to today's weather forecast. Moisture is still blowing from the ocean into the southern parts of the country. So for today, we are seeing that winds are flowing from the ocean and then converging somewhere around the border of Brongahafo and the Volta regions. But the northern sector is still under the influence of dry winds from the Sahel, and so we expect that during the forecast period, that part of the country will remain dry with slightly hazy conditions during the period. We expect temperature to rise to a maximum of about 38, 39 degrees Celsius for Navrongo, Bole, Tamale, and their environs. And we expect that the middle sector will see a temperature of about 37, 38 degrees Celsius as the maximum for the day. Coastal sector will see about 32, 33 degrees Celsius as its maximum. We'll see partly cloudy conditions in this part of the country. Later in the afternoon, going into the evening, we expect that places in the western region closer to Takoradi, Axim, Takwa, Prestea, and their environs will see rains later in the afternoon going into the evening. Early tomorrow morning, we expect a widespread misty conditions for southern Ghana, areas closer to Akimoda, Koforidua, as well as Takwa, Prestea, and then along the coast, Tema, Ada, Accra, Takoradi, Axim, we'll see these misty conditions which will impair visibilities early tomorrow morning. So like we always advise, please take note as you use arrows tomorrow morning. Temperature is expected to drop to about 25 degrees Celsius for the coastal sector, about 23, 24 degrees Celsius for most parts of the middle sector, and then we expect about 21 to 23 to be the lowest temperature for tomorrow morning in the northern sector. They will still continue to be in the hazy conditions. So just like moisture flowing in from Friday, we expected that Saturday we'll still see moisture flowing in, and on Sunday it's expected to get to the northern parts of the country. So for Saturday, we expect that we will be seeing temperature rising to about 32 degrees Celsius for areas in the coastal sector of the country. So Accra and the environs will see this temperature. We'll see cloudy conditions with sunny intervals, some southerly winds blowing across the city, quite gentle 15 knots. And then for Kumasi and the places in the middle sector, we expect a maximum of about 36 degrees Celsius to be the highest temperature for the day. Southwesterly winds will be blowing across the city. We also expect some clouds for that part of the country. But for the northern parts, we expect sunny conditions mostly, and then we'll see dry and dusty conditions as well. Temperatures will rise to about 29 degrees Celsius for that part of the country. On Sunday, we expect a wider coverage of rains for southern Ghana. So Accra and parts of the coastal sector should see this rains for later in the afternoon going into the evening. Temperature should rise to about 32 degrees Celsius for the coastal sector. We'll be getting more of southerly winds from the ocean. And then for places in the middle sector, Kumasi and its environs, we expect southwesterly winds blowing across the city. Temperature should rise to about 36 degrees Celsius for that part of the country. They'll still be seeing clouds and then few sunny conditions. But for the northern sector, we'll be seeing clouds. It will still be dry, but not as dry as the early parts of the week. We'll be seeing some moisture in influx into that part of the city by Sunday. We'll be seeing more of southeasterly winds blowing into that part of the country. So just like we always advise, temperatures these days are higher, and so you should take in enough water to prevent yourself from dehydration. Have a nice day.